Hello, grade 5th class. Hope you all are doing our drawing assignments on time and craft assignments also. So, today's lesson we are learning sketching. Okay, last back to session we learn action sketch. Action sketch in that we learn how to show the action. Okay, so suppose this is the figure. So how the pose is showing the action. Okay, so we are draw this type of drawing. This is our action sketch. Now this is the second part of the drawing. Here we are showing the body, skeleton and the outer shapes. Okay, so how we'll step by step complete the body drawing and outline. Okay, so here we are taking very easy drawing for you. Suppose the one woman is going in the market, so this is the action sketch like this pose. The woman, so first we draw the head in oval shape. Okay, in action sketch we are just make the skeleton, then body and posture. Suppose this is our okay, this is this figure pose. So how we will go the step by step. So here this is the body, then we start showing the outer outline. Okay, then showing the gesture of the cloth. Suppose the woman wearing the sari, so we will this is her second hand. Okay, how she will stand like this. Okay, she have something position, so she can stand like this one. So behind one hand she is holding the bag. This is her second hand. She is holding the bag. Okay, and here you can show the eyes and nose. She is going in the market. The leg position. You have to view the outer look step by step. First we make this type of skeleton, then this is the second part. Okay, so same way we are drawing one more figure but another way little. Suppose one male carrying a fruit basket. So how we will show the figure? Here we are making first circle, okay, carrying a fruit. So how he will carry? He pick up the small basket on the head, okay. The hand position is very important, carrying the fruit. So he is moving this direction, right? The how it will come, the legs, suppose he is going that way, so the legs, okay. This is the body gesture. Second is the body gesture, okay. Second hand is behind, so here we showing this way, okay. So now here we just randomly do the boxes, one here, one here, one here, one here. Final we are giving the touch, okay. So how we will giving the touch? Now here first we are showing the head, right? Right? Then okay. Now the collar part. Suppose he wearing a particular shirt, so we are showing the shirt. The hand position, okay. This is the hand position. Step by step we are completing drawing, okay. Now the part of second hand. Second hand it will come back and the position like this way, okay. This is a cut of the shirts. So erase it this part and give the look proper human shapes. Here we are trying to showing one leg, right? We just going randomly and then we are giving the shape step by step. Okay. Now the second leg, just now we done, okay. So male carrying the fruits in the basket, so here we showing the fruit. So you can take any kind of scene and you want to draw the figure, so you have to draw first action sketch, okay, and then you will complete the memory drawing easily. Your step is action sketch. Suppose the one girl is jumping here, so how you will show? First you make the human skeleton. Action sketch. She's jumping. Okay. You just make the outline in your mind and try to draw step by step. This is the box. This is the bird. Now this figure action you have to give the proper look. So how you will give? Draw the body gesture, eyes, nose, hair. Okay. Now the legs part. Okay, so same way you can draw multiple figure what you want. Okay, then you remove this guidelines and figure your drawing properly. Hope you understand the memory drawing. First we are making action sketch, then we are making body gesture, and then we give the proper look the human's body. Okay, so here you can show the market, buildings, road. You wanted to show the moving cars. You can show the scenery like this type of. Okay, what else you can show? So today's we are just completing this action sketch towards the figure. Okay, third session we are planning how to compose the memory drawing. Okay, so today just understand and try to make your own different way. Either you can do the same also. Okay, so you can choose any kind of topic and try to make the action sketch and then give the proper body look step by step. Okay, and the behind the scenery we will planning the next session. Okay, now the time is bye bye and take care.